So let us solve some questions on polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are given as this and this respectively. So what we do, we have to find a quadratic polynomial. So let us assume, let the required polynomial, that means which we have to find out, required polynomial be, standard one I will be writing, for a quadratic it is ax square plus bx plus c. That is the first thing we write, solution. Okay, what we have to find, we write the general one, and also let the zeros be, two zeros will be there, maximum number is 2 because quadratic degree 2, so let the zeros be phi and beta. Okay, now what is given? Given that sum of the zeros is root 2 and product of the zeros is 1/3, that is product of the zeros is 1/3. These two are given. So basically what we have to find, we have to find the values of a, b and c. Then if I know values of a, b and c, we know the polynomial. So let's see how we do. Now here we will be using the relationships between zeros and coefficients. It will be useful now. So you remember sum of the zeros was minus b upon a. Or what will be b? B will be, if I cross multiply, minus root 2 into a, first relation. That is from this I am getting this. And here product of the zeros, second relation was c upon a is 1/3. And what is c then? C is equal to a by 3. This is say equation number 2. So you see two equations and three unknowns a, b, c. But in both the equations one variable a is common. So I can choose any value, suitable value of a, so that I can find the values of the other coefficients b and c. So here I will be choosing some value of a. So generally we choose the value of in such a way that the b and c are integers. So obviously you see, what should I take? The value of a should be multiple of 3. So either you take 3, 6, 9, etc. anything. So let me take a to be 3. So let a is equal to 3. Then from equation 1, what will I get? Put the value of a to be 3. So b will be equal to minus 3 into root 2. And from equation 2, what will I get? C will be equal to 3 by 3, 1. So by choosing a suitable value of a, I am getting the values of b and c. Now just simply put the values in this. So the answer, therefore, the required polynomial is, a is our, what you have chosen, a to be 3. So ax square, 3x square plus bx, b is minus 3 root 2 plus c, c is 0, 1. So this is the answer. So you see, if I know the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, then using the relationships I can, and choosing a proper value of a, as a is common to both the equations, I can easily find out the polynomial. Pause. Next question. Now here, find a cubic polynomial whose sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and the product of its zeros are 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. Okay. So again we take the polynomial like this, the standard one. Let the required polynomial be the standard cubic polynomial. And let the zeros be alpha, beta, gamma. There will be 3 zeros. Okay. So what is given? First, sum of the zeros, that is given is 2. Then next, sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time. That means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That is the sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time. That is given to be -7. And lastly, product of the zeros is -14. That is, these are given to you. And so what you have to find? You have to find the values of A, B, C, D. Then we will be knowing the required polynomial. So again, using the relationships between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial, we can write this was, first one is always minus B upon A is 2. From this I am getting the value of B to be minus 2A. Then from this I am getting, say this is equation 1. Then from this is your second relation, so minus B by A will be C by A. C by A is -7. So therefore, let me write it here. Second relation is C by A is -7, cross multiplying, C is equal to -7A, the second equation. And lastly, the product of the zero, the third relation, C by A, it was minus D by A is -14. Minus minus cancel, so therefore D is equal to 14A. That is the third equation. So I have got 3 equations and I have to find 4 values A, B, C, D. Again you see the A is present in all the equations, so I can choose any value of A. So anything I can choose. Let I take the simplest value, simplest one, A is equal to 1. Then what will, from equation 1 I will get the value of B will be -2, 1. And from equation 2 I will get the value of C -7. And from the third equation I will get the value of D, 14 into 1 is 14. Therefore the answer, that is the required polynomial is this one. I have taken ax cube, a is your 1, so x cube plus bx square, b is your -2, minus 2x square plus cx, c is -7, lastly plus d, so 14. So this is the required cubic polynomial. So you see, using the relationship very easily we can find out the polynomial. If I know the sum of the zeros, sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time and product of zeros, and using the relationship I am getting the polynomial also.